Today's video is kind of random. It's just a couple of clips of what kind of errands I ran today. So I thought I'd just kind of do a little intro slash closeout video. So I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. By the way, I don't think I'm gonna paint today, so there's no clips of that. If there is, they'll probably be in the next couple of minutes, but I don't think they'll make it today. So yeah, enjoy today's video, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye guys.
So she could help if she next year.
Well, we already have a plan.
I'm just saying Wanna go check the mail? She says, hurry, my feet are burning. Let's go, go, go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We came to get an ice cream. Okay, just so you know. Well, I figured you were worried.